of class 4th. Welcome back in your maths class. So, today we are going to do our exercise number 4th B, which is addition. Okay? So, let's start. You can open your book on exercise number 4th B. On page number 24. Okay? Then see, first part. In all the questions we have to do addition. Okay? So this is our first part. First question. C part I am taking. Okay? I have note down the questions here. First of all, you see how to solve the questions. Okay? See, we have to start from right hand side. Okay? So let's start doing 6 plus 4 are 10 and 1 carry. 7 to 9 and 1 10. Then again 1 carry. 9 and 1 10 plus 8 18. 1 6 7 7 and 3 10. Again 1 carry. And 4 5 6 7. So this is your answer. Understood? Understood, dear students? Okay. You may note down this work in your copy or you can do it in your book only. Okay? At a time. Now see second C part. In this question also same thing is there. See 9 and 9 are 18. Then put 1 as carry. Okay? Then 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 3 1 13. Okay? 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. Then 7 and 1 8. 8 and 5 13. 1 9 plus 1 10 and then 3 and 3 6. This is your answer. Understood? Understood, dear students? Okay. I think you have done. Now come on third question D part. Last part I am taking of all the questions. Then start doing same as we are doing earlier. 7 plus 3 10. 9 plus 1 10 and 7 17. 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10. 8 and 8 are 16 plus 1 17. Then 6 plus 2 are 8 and 1 9. And 3 plus 5 plus 3 are 8. Understood? This is your answer. Okay. Now come on fourth question D part. See what is there? Now there are how many terms? 4 terms. So no need to worry. Simply we have to put on their correct place and we have to start addition. Okay. See first of all 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. Okay. Then 9 plus 8 17. 17 plus 7 24. 24 and 6 30. 3 carry. Okay. Then 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 3 17. And 1 carry. 9 10 11 and 8 19. 0 7 and 7 are 14. Then 14 4 18 and 18 and 5 23. Now 2 4 6 9. This is your required answer. Understood, dear students? Okay. Yes, dear students. Hope you have completed till there. Now we are on question number 5, in which these figures are given. So first of all, we have to arrange them one by one in column method, and then we have to add it. Okay, addition we have to do. So first of all, write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. No need to have 10. Okay. So see, start putting from right hand side. 2 0 5 3 3 and 2. Okay. Now come on second digit from right hand side. 7 9 3 4 6 addition. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 7, 17. Put here 1. Then 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 8, 18. And 18 and 5, 23. Put here 2. Then 4 and 4 are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. Okay. Then again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 3 are 11. Then 6, 7, 3, 10 and 1, 11. Then 1, again 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, have you understood? Beta, this question, from this fifth question you have to do in your book. Okay, from fifth question you have to do from in your notebook. Okay, because space is not given there. Now, come on E part. Okay, E part I will tell now. So what is it? Can I have this? Have you completed now? Okay. Then see, E part. Its E part is, first of all, write down the ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10. Understood? Then what we have to do? We have to read out the question. 6,38,000. Okay? So from here, 6,38,000. Then second digit, 1,54,000. 1,54,000. And 56 is also there. Okay? And 56. So we will put here 56. 89,100. 89,100 and 64. 64. Simply what is given in that question, just read out it and write as it is what is instructed in the question. So do the addition. Start doing. 6 plus 4, 10, 1 carry. 6 and 6 are 12, 1 carry. 1 and 1 is 2. Then 8, no carry is there this time. Then 9 and 8 are 17. 17 and 4 are 21. Then 8 and 2 are 10, 15 and 3, 18. 1 carry. 6, 7 and 8. Understood here? Okay? You can do this work in your notebook. Okay? Now, okay dear students, so now we are on 6th question in which we have to fill in the missing digits. Okay? Some space is given here and we have to fill them. Okay? So let's begin with our simple question. First of all, 6th D part I am taking. So in this question also we have to do the addition. Already answer is given. So we have to fill the missing place. Okay? Then see, in 0 what we have to add, the answer will be 5. Simple. In 0 if 5 we will add, then 5 will come. Okay? Then see, 7. In 7 what we can add, so that it will become 3. But we know that 3 is less than 7. So it will not be 3, it will be 13. Okay? 1 is on the other side carry. So in 7 we have to add 6 to make it 13. Okay? Now 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Understood? Now next step, in 4 what we have to add so that it will become 12. 1 will come here. Okay? So that it will become 12. Okay? So 4 and 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay? Then already 1 is there. 8 plus 1 and 9. Understood? This is the answer. Understood? Understood? Okay dear students. Now come on D part. So what we have to do? In this there are 3 steps. Okay? So no need to worry. Just let's start doing. 6 plus 4 are 10. what we have to do? What we have to do, students? Already one should be there because there was 10. Okay, so again we have to count 6, 7, 8, 9, and to make it 12, we have to put here 3. Now check it once. Okay, if there is something wrong, our answer doesn't match, then again we will do. See, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. See here, there is confusion in this. So what we have to do first? Again check. 6 plus 10, 4, 10 plus 2, 12 and 1. Okay, then 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5 are 9. That means it is correct. Okay. Now come on next. 8 plus 2, 12 plus 4. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14 and 1. 3, 4 and 7, 11, 1, 5 and 5, 10, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is your required answer. Okay dear students, now come on our next question, 7th. In this also we have to do the addition. Simple it is. Let's start. 7th D I am telling you. This also you have to do in your book because enough space is given. Okay. Then 6 and 5 are 11. Put here 1. 4 and 4 are 8. Then 8 and 7 are 15. 1. 9 and 1 are 10. Then 8 and 1 9. 9 plus 4 13. And 1 8. Understood? This is your answer. Okay. Now come on 8 D part. First of all we have to arrange them in column. Already it is given in the question. Then 9 plus 1 10 and 2 12 1. Then 7 3 10 15 16 and 17. Then 9 10 11 12 13 1 carry. Then 6 and 6 are 12. 12 and 4 are 16 and 3 19. 9 10 18. 18 and 7 are 25. Sorry, again we will do 9 10 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Okay, it is correct. Then 2 4 6 9 10 and 12. Understood? Okay. Now come on 9th question. 9th question you have to do in your notebook. Okay. How we have to do? See. 1 2 3 4. Okay. This is given. How we will write? First of all, the main thing is to put it in the column button. So see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Let's see. From right hand side we will start writing 8, 5. 3, 2, 6, 5. 3, 2, 6, 5. 9, 7, 4, 0. 9, 7, 4, 0 and 6. Okay. 5, 0, 4. 5, 0, 4. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2 and 4. And if you want, then you can put zeros. If you are confused in all these, so then you can put zeros also. And if not, then no need. Okay? It is not compulsory. Okay? So this we have put it in column method. Now this is ready to do the calculation. Okay? So start doing calculation. 8 plus 9 plus 8 are 17 and 3 20. 20 plus 5 25. And put here 2 as a carry. Now 7 and 2 9, 2 11 and 5 16, 1 6 and 4 10 14 and 1 15, 1 5 6 and 3 9. Now 6 7 8 and now this is our 4. Okay, so this is our required answer. Understood? You can do this work. Okay dear students, now this is our 9th part, 9th question, D part I am taking. Okay, 3 digits are there again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we have to do the same method, we have to put it in the column. Then 4, 3, 8, 5, 1, 5, 5, 2. If you want, then you can put here 0 also. Okay. Now let's do 6 plus 4, 10 and 2, 12. 1 carry 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 5, 15, 0, 5, 10, 14 and 15, 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 5 are 17, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 6, 17, put here 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 4, 12. So this is your answer. Understood? Okay. Now again, come on, this one you have to do in your notebook. Okay? In questions, if space is given, then you can do it in your book, and these type of questions you have to do in your notebook. Understood? Okay. Now come on, B question. Again, it gives fill in the missing figures. Okay? Then see 7. Here is 0. What we should add to make it 12? In 7 we have to do 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now 1 we have put it already. 8 and 8 are 16. And after 16 what will come? 21 will come. Okay? So first of all put here 2. Okay? 21 we have to make. So what we should add in? 16. For 16 what we should add? We should add 5. Okay? To make it 21. Now 8, 9, 10 and here 1. Put here 1. 9, 10, 16. 16 and 4 are 20. 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to make it 7 what we have to do? 5, 2. Okay? And 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Put here 8. Now check it once. If there is any correction, then we will correct at the time only. Then see 5, 7 and 5 are 12. Okay, 1. 8 and 8 are 16. 16 and 5, 21. 2. 8, 10, 11, 1. 9, 10, 16, 20. 2 here. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is our required answers. Okay, now come on B part. B part see 6 plus 1, 7. And we have to make it 11. So what we will add in this? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and 4 are 11. Understood? Now 5 and 5 are 10. And to make it 11 we have to add 1 more. Okay? 9, 10, 11. And to make it 15 what we will add? 4. Put here 1 carry. 4, 5, 6, 7. And to make it 8, 1, 7, 8. To make it 10, put here 2 and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus 1, 7. Check once. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1. 5, 6, 7 and 4, 11, carry 1. 9, 10, 11 plus 4, 15, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This is your required answers. So here our exercise ends. Okay? Once again I am telling in book what we have to do. The questions. If enough space is given, then those questions you have to do in the book. For example, first, second, third and fourth you can do in your book only. Then fifth part you have to do in your notebook. Sixth in book only. Seventh also, eighth also. Then from ninth question fully you have to do in your notebook, and 10th in your book. Understood? So this was your exercise number 4th B. Okay? In next week or in the next classes we will continue with our next exercise 4th C. Till then, what is your homework? You have to complete your work. Homework is complete your work with remaining parts. Some parts are remaining now. That is your homework. Understood? Till then, take care.